Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video guys, I'm going to show you how to fix if the none option is not showing. So if you're trying to change country or you have made a new Apple ID, so if you're trying to add the billing address and the required information, so you don't have card or credit card or PayPal account and there's none option is not showing, I'm going to show you how you can fix this problem. So let's get start the video. Before we start the video guys, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more upcoming videos. So what you're gonna do is make sure that you first of all log in your Apple ID in the App Store. So once you have done this, click on user icon. Click on your Apple ID username. Then instead of click on manage payments, click on country and region. Then click on change country or region. Now scroll down. Now select the country where you want to change your country. Click on agree. So once we have done this, now as you can see, here is the none option. Now you can just simply select none option. Now you can enter your required information like your first name, last name, enter the street address, then click on next. So as you can see, now this is how you can select the none option. So if it's not showing, so hope this video helps you. If it does, then leave a like and comment. Thanks for watching.